Ever wondered how to make the perfect Mussel Cioppino? Well, buckle up, because the journey to mastering this shellfish delight is about to begin. The key player in this dish is the humble mussel, a shellfish known for its sweet brininess, which adds body and complexity to our stew. Kick things off by heating a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil in a large heavy pot over medium-high heat. Once it's hot, it's time to introduce 4 cloves of smashed garlic and a large chopped onion. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of kosher salt and 3/4 of a teaspoon of finely ground black pepper. Cook this aromatic ensemble, stirring occasionally until it turns golden, which should take about 10 minutes. The next step? Stir in a cup of red wine, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried red pepper flakes and a sprig of fresh thyme. Allow this mixture to boil until it's reduced by half, which should take about 1.5 minutes. Now, puree a 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes in juice and stir it into the pot, along with 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Bring this concoction to a simmer. It's time for the star of the show. Add 1.5 pounds of scrubbed mussels to the pot and cover it. Cook until the mussels have opened wide, which should be around 6 minutes. Any mussels that didn't open should be discarded. Finally, season the cioppino with salt and pepper to taste. Transfer your creation into serving bowls and sprinkle it with a tablespoon of finely chopped fresh parsley. Serve this seafood sensation with crusty bread on the side. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating the perfect Mussel Cioppino, a dish that's brimming with flavors, textures, and is sure to impress. Remember, the secret lies in the quality of your ingredients and the love you pour into the cooking process, so why wait? Get those pots and pans ready and embark on your Mussel Cioppino adventure.